ኦኬ እንግዲህ ዛሬም በድጋሚ ተገናኝተናል። ያው ባለፈው የተነጋገርናቸው ነገሮች በደንብ ኮንሲደር እንዳረጋችሁ ተስፋ አረጋለሁ። ዛሬ ደግሞ the use of present perfect continuous present perfect ላይ እንግዲህ ዲቴል አውርተናል። present perfect እና present perfect continuous they are almost the same. almost ምንድናቸው? አንድ አይነት ናቸው። but there is very slight difference አላቸው። እሷን slight difference አሳይተን እናልፋለን ማለት ነው። present perfect ላይ ያነሳናቸው ፖይንቶች በሙሉ እዚህ ላይ ይነሳሉ። ምክንያቱም they are all the same. ዲፍረንሳቸውን ብቻ አይተን እንሄዳለን ማለት ነው። Howie has been painting a beautiful landscape for the past 3 days. She has been mixing different colors to get the perfect shades for the sunrise. Her brushes have been moving swiftly across the canvas, creating a masterpiece. Everyone has been eagerly waiting to see the final result. In this story, Howie has been painting beautiful landscape for the past 3 days የሚለውን ስናይ Howie has been painting የሚለው This action is completed recently with the present result. ይሄ አክሽን recently completed የሆነ ነው። ነገር ግን ምን አለው? present የሆነ result አለው ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ beautiful landscape has been building. It started in the past and completed recently. ግን still it has ምን አለን? present result. What is our present result? ቪዲዮ ላይ እንዳያችሁት ፒክቸሩ already ምንድነው ስትስል የነበረበት አክሽኗ ሪዛልቱ ነው ማለት ነው። ይሄ present result ወይም recently completed የሆነ which has a present result እንዳለው የሚያሳይ ነው። Everyone has been eagerly waiting to see the final result ስንል it highlights an unfinished action ነው። አሁንም it is connected to now ነው። ከአሁን ጋር ኮኔክሽን ያለው still unfinished የሆነ ወይም ያልተጠናቀቀ ድርጊትን የሚያሳየን present perfect continuous tense ጥቅሙን የሚያሳየን ነው ማለት ነው። It has been raining since early morning and the streets have been flooding slowly. Children have been watching the rain through their windows, hoping for a break to play outside. The clouds have been blocking the sunlight, making the whole town look dim and quiet. It has been raining since early in the morning. Still, it indicates an action that started in the past and still ኮንቲኒዩስ ማለት ነው። አሁን ድረስ የቀጠለ ነው። ከጠዋት ጀምሮ እስካሁን እየዘነበ ነው ስንል የጀመረው መቼ ነው? ኤርሊ ሞርኒንግ ላይ ነው የጀመረው። ነገር ግን አሁንም አልቆመም፣ ስቲል እየዘነበ እንደሆነ የሚያሳይ አክሽን። ይሄ ሁለተኛ ፐርፐዝ ኦፍ ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ኮንቲኒየስ ነው ማለት ነው። This present continuous tense talks about connects the past with the present. As we have seen መቼ present perfect ላይ እንዳየነው it connects by any means present perfect and present perfect continuous connects the past and the present. There is a relationship. They try to relate past and present. Present እና past relate ያደርጋሉ ማለት ነው። So it is used to describe an action that how do they relate? እንዴት አድርገው ነው relate የሚያደርጉ? አንድም the action started in the past and are still happening now. ይሄንን የት አንስተነው ነበር? present perfect ላይ አንስተው ነበር አይደል? So present perfect ላይ እንዳለው ሁላ አሁንም present perfect continuous tense ላይ for an action that started in the past and still going on አሁንም የቀጠለ በፓስት ጀምሮ አሁን ድረስ የቀጠለ ታይም ላይን ላይ ነውና ይሄ እንግዲህ ታይም ላይናችን ይሆናል። we are here now ይሄ አሁን ያለንበት የፕሬዘንት ጊዜ ነው። so let's assume that there is an action that started somewhere in the past. Here this is the past and some action started somewhere here in the past and still going on አሁንም የቀጠለ ያድርጊት አልቆመም። መቼ ነው የጀመረው? in the past ጀመረ። አሁንም ምን እያለ ነው? እየቀጠለ ያለ ድርጊትን ለመናገር ፕሬዘንት ኮንቲኒየስን እንገልጻለን። ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ኮንቲኒየስም ይጠቅሳል፣ ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክትም ይጠቅሳል። so what is the difference here? ታዲያ ምን ልዩነት አላቸው በሁለቱ መካከል ብንል ለምሳሌ እስቲ ምሳሌ እንይ። I have been studying English for 2 years. ለሁለት ዓመት ምንም ማለት እንችላለን? I have studied English for 2 years ማለት እንችላለን። I have been studying for English for 2 years ማለት እንችላለን። ዲፍረንሳቸው ምንድነው? This present perfect continuous emphasize the continuation of the action. ድርጊቱ continuously መሆኑን emphasis ነው የሚሰጠው። ከፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክቱ ይልቅ ይሄኛው emphasis ይሰጣል። continuity of the action የድርጊቱን continuously መሄዱን emphasis ለመስጠት ያገለግለናል። She has been living in London since 2020. Starting from 2020 still now, that means 2025 አይደል? so እስካሁን ድረስ የት ነው ያለችው? ለንደን። ከመቼ ጀምሮ ነው ለንደን መኖር የጀመረችው? በፈረንጆቹ በ2020 then still she is there ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ this action of living in London started in 2020 and still she is living there. እስካሁንም እዛ እየኖረች ነው ማለት ነው። so this is one of the use of present perfect continuous. The second is to highlight how long something has been happening. እንዳልኳችሁ አንድ ነገር ለምን ያህል ጊዜ እንደተደረገ ሃይላይት ያደርጋል፣ ኤምፋሲስ ይሰጣል። ሌትስ ሲ I have been working on this project all week. You see, this person አንዳንዴ ሰዎች they are tired of doing something for a long time አይደል? ለረጅም ጊዜ አንድ ነገር ሲሰሩ ይሰለቻሉ አይደል? ለምሳሌ I have been waiting for you since morning, I can say. አያሹ and I have waited for you since morning ብዬ ብል የሁለቱ ልዩነት ምንድነው? ከጠዋት ጀምሬ ስጠብቅሽ ማለት I'm really tired of waiting for you እንደማለት ነው። አንተም መጠበቅ በጣም አድክሞኛል፣ ይሄ ሁሉ ሰዓት እንዴት ታስጠብቀኛለህ? እሺ ድርጊት የጊዜ ቆይታውን በጣም ሃይላይት ያደርገዋል፣ በጣም ያጋንነዋል፣ በቃ መሰልቸቱን ለማሳየት። then I have been practicing the piano since morning. ከጠዋት ጀምሮ ይኸው ፕራክቲስ ሳረግ ነበር። አያችሁ ጊዜ ቆይታውን ርዝመቱን ረጅም ጊዜ መሆኑን ምን ለመስጠት ነው? ሃይላይት ለመስጠት ያገለግለናል ማለት ነው። actions that has just finished but leave an evidence or result in the present. ይሄ present perfect ላይ ማይተናል። for an action completed in the past but the result of that action is there at present time. እንዳልኳችሁ by any means present እና pastን ያገናኛል ብለን ነበር አይደል? yes እንዴት ያገናኛል? ይሄ ድርጊት እኮ እዛው ተጀምሮ እዛው አልቋል፣ ፓስት ወደ ፕሬዘንት አልመጣም። ግን እዛ ፓስት ላይ ያለቀው አክሽን አሁን ላይ ምን አምጥቷል? ሪዛልት አለው አይደል? ቬሪ ጉድ። ለምሳሌ አንድ ሰው እጁ ላይ ቁስል ብታዩ ምን ሆነህ ነው ስትሉት እጄን ቆርጬው ነው አላል። እጄን ቆርጬው ሲላችሁ አሁን ሲነግራችሁ እጁን እየቆረጠው ነው ወይንም የመቁረጡ ድርጊት እስካሁን አለ እንዴ? የለም። ግን መቼ ነው የቆረጠው? ኢን ዘ ፓስት አይደል? ግን የመቆረጡ ድርጊት ኢፌክት ወይም ሪዛልቱ ምን አለ? የጉዳቱ አይደል? አሁን ላይ ፓስትሊ የነበረው የመቁረጥ ድርጊት አሁን ላይ ውጤት አለው አይደል? ያ ውጤት ምንድነው? ቁስሉ ነው ማለት ነው። ሶ እንዲህ አይነት አክሽኖች ምንም እንኳን ድርጊቱ እዛው ቢያልቅም እንኳን ኢን ዘ ፓስት አሁን ላይ ምን ጥሏል? ሪዛልት ወይንም ውጤት አለው ማለት ነው። ሶ ሌትስ ሲ you look tired, have you been running? ምንድነው አሁን ሰውየው ኒውት በጣም ደክሞታል። ፒክቸሩ ላይ አይታችሁታል። he's just በጣም very tired and he just try to sleep. so ምን ሆነ ነው ደከመ? see do you think that this guy is running now? አሁን እየሮጠ ነው ወይንም የመሮጡ ድርጊት እስካሁን አለ እንዴ? no, he has already stopped running. ግን ምን አለ አሁን በጣም ረጅም ጊዜ የሮጠበት ውጤቱ ምን አለው? መድከሙ። so he is what? The result is here, the tiredness is the result now at present time. So that we just, this sentence relates the past action to the present result ማለት ነው። It smells delicious. Have you been cooking? What does it mean? Do you think that the action of cooking is there at present time? No, there is no cooking now. But there is what? The result. What is the result of the action cooking in the past? It smells delicious. The smell is the result. So if there is a result for the past action, we use present perfect continuous too. The other is repeated action or habit that occurred over a period. See? Repeated action. Something which is repeatedly or something which is a habit is expressed by present perfect continuous tense. How? For example, she has been calling me every day this week. See? Every day this week. This is what? Something which is repeatedly happening, or the action of calling repeatedly happen every day this week. This is a habit for this week. They have been complaining about the noise for days. So there is a noise which disturbs them. They have been complaining about the noise. You see? This means they repeatedly try to complain about the noise. So something which is repeatedly or sort of habit can also be expressed by present perfect tense. Let's see for temporary action. See? Temporary action ቀደም ምን ብለን ነበር? ጊዜያዊ አክሽን ብለናል አይደል? so ጊዜያዊ አክሽን ላይ ቋሚ ያልሆነ ፐርማነንት ያልሆነ አክሽንን በፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ኮንቲኒዩስ እንገልጻለን። ለምሳሌ the front door is being fixed. የፊት ለፊት በሩ ምን እያደረገ ነው? እየተሰራ ነው። so I have been using the back door for few days. ለጥቂት ቀናት የትኛውን መጠቀም አለብኝ? back door-ን you see? የኋለኛውን በር መጠቀም አለብኝ። do you think that using the back door is a permanent situation? no, just this is temporarily. so we have been using the back door for a temporary time, so that such action can also be expressed by present perfect continuous. I have been living in Addis for 6 months. This is temporary situation again. I have been living in Addis for 6 months. This person is not living permanently in Addis, just only for what? For 6 months. In such a case, if there is some temporary situation, you use present perfect continuous tense. Here we can just easily understand that we use present perfect continuous. We use this tense means present perfect continuous tense for emphasis the temporary actions. Sometimes like when we use this tense, that means present perfect continuous tense, to emphasize the action is not permanent. To give an emphasis ትኩረት እንዲሰጥበት የተፈለገው present perfect continuous እንጠቀም ይሄ ድርጊት ጊዜያዊ እንጂ ቋሚ አይደለም ለማለት ነው። አይ ለ6 ወር ነው አዲስ አበባ የምኖረው እሺ present perfect ተጠቅሜ ያው በአማርኛ ስለማይሆን ነው በእንግሊዘኛው ግን present perfect ተጠቅሜ for 6 months ካልኩኝ ለ6 ወር ብቻ ነው የምኖረው የሚለው ትኩረት እንዲሰጥልኝ ስፈልግ present perfect ተጠቀማለሁ። ምንም ማለት እንችላለን በpresent perfect ብቻ መጥቀስ እንችላለን። I have lived in Addis for 6 months ስንል this is permanent situation. He's still living there ማለት ነው። ለ6 ወር አዲስ አበባ ኖር ያለው እንደማለት ነው። አሁንም እዛው እየኖረ ነው መኖሩም ሊቀጥል ይችላል ማለት ነው። So present perfect continuous ስትጠቀም ግን I have been living in Addis for 6 months ካልኩኝ ግን I'm not longer living at this just only for 6 months for temporary action እንደማለት ነው ማለት ነው። The next is to talk about recent action which is still happening but we express this with words like lately and recently. ብዙ ጊዜ ከpresent perfect continuous tense ጋር recently lately የሚሉ ወርዶች ካሉ ያ ድርጊት ምን ብለዋል ማለት ነው still አለ እየተደረገ ነው የሚለውን ያሳዩናል ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ I have been eating out too much lately አሁን ምን እያልኩ ነው በጣም ብዙ እየበላው ነው። ዘን ይሄንን ስንል ሌትሊ ያለ ማለት ይሄ ብዙ መመገቡ እስካሁን እንደቀጠለ የሚያሳይ ነው። I have been arguing a lot lately ምን ሆኜ ነው ምንድነው ብዙ መጨቃጨቀው እሺ these days አሁን የመጣበት አሁንም ያለ ድርጊት እንደማለት ነው። I have been studying Spanish recently. Studying Spanish is still going on ማለት ነው አሁንም የቀጠለ ማለት ነው። I have been spending more time together recently. አሁን ምን እያሉ ነው ብዙ ሰዓታቸውን አብረው እያሳለፉ ነው። recently ስላለች አሁንም አብረው እንደሚያሳልፉ ኤምፋሲስ ይሰጠናል ወይም ያሳየናል ማለት ነው። The other use to give a reason for a statement አንዳንዴ ሜክ ላረግነው ስቴትመንት ወይንም ስቴት ላረግነው ክሌም ምክንያት ማቅረብ ስንፈልግ present perfect continuous እንጠቀማለን። እንዴት? ለምሳሌ I am ready to win the game. This person ምን አለ? ጌሙን ለማሸነፍ ሬዲ ነኝ አለ። ለምን ይመስላችኋል? አሁን ምክንያታችሁን መግለጽ ስትፈልጉ because I have been practicing all the years አያችሁ I have been practicing all the years የምትለው ስትራክቸር የምን ስትራክቸር ናት? የpresent perfect continuous tense. Why do you think that present perfect continuous is used here? To give a reason for what we have been saying. ቀድመን ላልነው ወይም ለተናገርነው ነገር ምናችን ነው ምክንያት ለመስጠት ስንፈልግ ማለት ነው። I can speak English better these days. See? አሁንማ ጥሩ እንግሊዘኛ መናገር እችላለሁ because I have been spending my time with natives. አያችሁ ብዙ ታይሙን ከኔቲቮች ጋር ስለሚያሳልፍ በቃ እንግሊዘኛ በጣም የተሻለ ማውራቱን እንደ ምክንያት አድርጎ ነው የተጠቀመው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ይሄ present perfect continuous tense ለምንም መስጠት ያገለግለናል ምክንያት ለተናገርነው ነገር reason ወይንም ምክንያት ለማቅረብ ያገለግለናል ማለት ነው። Very important point here. Present perfect continuous cannot be used with what? State verbs. ለምን? Present continuous ላይ ስናወራ አስታውሳችሁ state verbs በምን ፎርም መጠቀም የለብንም ባላቸው ሚኒንግ ብለን ነበር በing አንጠቀምም ብለናል አይደል? የpresent perfect continuous ስትራክቸሩ ደግሞ ውስጡ ምን አለው? ing አለው አይደል? Therefore this present perfect continuous tense cannot be used with state verbs. በፍጹም cannot be used with state verbs. because it uses ing verb ማለት ነው። So ለምሳሌ I have been knowing my friends for 2 or 3 years. Can I say that? I have been knowing. That is not correct because the verb know is not what? Cannot be used in the ing form as it is a state verb. A state verb እስከሆነ ድረስ ከማን ጋር እንጠቀመው? በing form መጠቀም አይቻልም። Rather it's better for you to say that you are advised to use it. I have known በpresent perfect እንጂ በpresent perfect continuous ስቴት ቨርቦች ሊጠቀሱ አይችሉም። ይችን በደንብ ያዙ። እስካሁን ካየነው በቦልድ የጻፍናቸው ስትራክቸሮችን ከላይም እንዳየናቸው present perfect continuous tense ስትራክቸሩ ምን ይሆናል? ልክ present perfect ላይ እንዳየነው have or has ልዩነታቸው ምን ነበር ብለናል? ለthird person singular we use has። ማናቸው third person singular? he, she, it ሶስቱ ሲሆኑ we use has። ይኸው እዚህ ላይ እንዳየነው ከነዚህ አንዱ የአረፍተ ነገራችን ባለቤት ሲሆን we use has instead of have. but the rest we use they ሲሆኑ haveን እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። so ከዛስ been plus verb ing ይሄ ኮንስታንት ስትራክቸሩ ነው ማለት ነው። እስቲ በየተለያዩ እንትኖች እናያቸው። ይሄ ፖዚቲቭ ስትራክቸር ነው ከላይ ያለ ነው። ኔጌቲቭ ሲሆንስ አሁን ለምሳሌ ቅድም እንዳለ ነው ምን ብለን ነበር? I, we, you, they plus have plus been plus verb ing he, she, it plus has plus been plus verb ing ይሄ የፖዚቲቭ ወይንም የአፈርማቲቭ ሴንቴንስ ስትራክቸር ሲሆን የኔጌቲቭ ውሳ ልክ ባለፈው እንዳወራ ነው ኦግዚለሪ ቨርብ ላይ ነው ፊክስ የሚደረገው። በፍጹም ኔጌቲቭ ማርከር ኖት ሜይን ቨርብ ላይ ወይንም ዋና ቤዝ ቨርብ ላይ መሆን አትችልም፣ መለጠፍ አትችልም። ስለዚህ እዚህኛው ላይ ስንመጣ ደግሞ ምን አለን? ሁለት ኦግዚለሪ አለን። ማንና ማን? ሃቭ ኦር ሃዝ ፕላስ የቨርብ ቱ ሃቭ እና ቨርብ ቱ ቢ ቢን አለን አይደል? ሶ ማ ላይ ትለጠፍ ኖት? የመጀመሪያው ኦግዚለሪ ሃቭ ኦር ሃዝ ላይ ነው የምትለጠፍ። ሶ ካምስ ቢትዊን ዘ ቱ ኦግዚለሪ መሃል ነው የምትመጣው ማለት ነው። ሶ ይኸው ስትራክቸራችን if your subject is one of the third person singular we use has, the rest they use have, then not plus been plus verb ing and the rest of the sentence will come after this. Let's see the example. They haven't been or they have not been working on the project since morning. You see, this is the negative structure. The negative mark comes between the verb to have plus verb to be. And I have not been exercising regularly. This is the structure, the negative structure for present perfect continuous. He hasn't been, when the subject changes, he hasn't been studying for the exam, it says. This is the negative structure. Questions yours. አሁን እንዳልኳችሁ auxiliary verb ካለን there is no worry because just simply shifting the auxiliary and the subject. So we have here two auxiliaries. Which auxiliaries can ask question here? The verb to have. ይኸው የትኛው ነው የመጀመሪያው auxiliary? verb to have ይቀድማል። have or has ይመጣል depending on the subject. Then the subject continues. Then been plus verb ing then the rest of the sentence comes. Let's see the example. እስቲ እኔ ምሳሌ we use has here because our subject is he አይደል? So ቦታውን shift ነው ያደረግነው። ይሄ ስቴትመንት ሆኖ ምን ነበረ? he don't forget to use the capital letter whenever you begin a sentence. መጀመሪያ ላይ ሲሆን ሁሉ ጊዜ ካፒታል ሌተር መጠቀም አትርሱ። he has been studying for the exam. it was the statement. see ስቴትመንታችን ይሄ ነበረ። so what is the thing that we do? ምንድነው ያደረግነው እዚህ ጋር? we exchange the position of the first auxiliary verb to have into the place of the subject and the subject goes into the place of the auxiliary verb. so ምን ሆነ? has he been studying for the exam? here when we begin a sentence we use a capital letter so that has he been studying for the exam. then finally we should put a question mark as long as it is an interrogative sentence. interrogative sentence ወይም question sentence እንደመሆኑ መጠን ጥያቄያዊ ስለሆነ መጨረሻ ላይ ጥያቄ ምልክት ማስቀመጥ እንዳትረሱ። have they been working on the project since morning? ይሄ ደግሞ የአረፍተ ነገራችን ባለቤት ማን ነው? ፕሉራል ነው አይደል? they ነው። so that have they been working, we just exchange the position of the subject and the auxiliary verb and finally we put the question mark here. have I been? I also should take have ብለናል። so have I been exercising regularly? this is a question form for present perfect continuous tense. here for negative questions sometimes people tend to ask negative questions. አንዳንዴ ሰዎች ኔጌቲቭ ጥያቄዎች ይጠይቃሉ አይደል? so negative question ሲሆን አሁንም እንዳልኳችሁ ቅድም ኔጌቲቭ ስቴትመንቱ ላይ ኔጌቲቭ ማርከር ኖቷን የወሰደችው ማን ነበረች? verb to have አይደል? የመጀመሪያው auxiliary። ስለዚህ ምን እንላለን? hasn't he been studying for the exam? we can say so ኔጌቲቭ እዛው has ላይ ነው። ራሷ ኔጌቲቭ ስቴትመንት አሁን ለምሳሌ ይሄ ሴንቴንስ ስቴትመንት እየነበረ ምን ነበረ? he hasn't been studying for the exam እንዲህ ነበር ስቴትመንት እያለ so ምንድነው ያደረግነው? ኔጌቲቭ ማርከሩን እንዳለ ይዞት ይመጣል። ከዛ hasn't ይሆናል ማለት ነው። እንዳያችሁት ከመጀመሪያ በካፒታል መጀመር ስላለብን ነው። ይሄ ስቴትመንታችን ካፒታል ነበረ። ይሄ ግን ሚድል ሲሆን ግን ወደ ስሞል መቀየር ይኖርበታል። ሶ ኔጌቲቭ ማርከሩን እንዳለ ይዞ ይመጣና ኩዌስችን ፎርም ማድረግ ይችላል ማለት ነው። በእንትንም የአረፍተ ነገራችን ባለቤት በአይ ዊ ዩ ዜይ ሲሆንም ደግሞ ሃቭን ነው የምንጠቀመው። ሴም ኢዝ ትሩ። haven't they been working on the project since morning is the negative question form ማለት ነው። so these are the points. now let's look at some questions. I dash for my books for 2 weeks. let me give you the choices. to look, have been looking, have looked and looked. which one is the right answer? Very good. if you say that I have dashed for my books for 2 weeks, see, you can say that I have been looking for my books for 2 weeks. You just say like this because in order to emphasize on the duration of the time, you can just give a kind of emphasis for. we can also say this one, but mostly it says for 2 weeks and if you want to give more emphasis, it's better for you to use have been plus looking is better. The next, she dashed in New York for 10 years and she doesn't want to live anywhere else. See, it says she doesn't want to live anywhere else. When? Now. Why? Because she dashed in New York for 10 years and she doesn't want to live anywhere else. It says live, have been lived, have lived and lived. Very good. If you say the answer is C, you are right. Why do you think that C is the answer? It is because there is what? She has lived in New York for 10 years. Mostly, as we have seen in the present perfect tense, the word since and for used with the present perfect tense. So, it doesn't mean that for only works. For also works for past tense too. But mostly we use for present continuous tense. So, there is a duration of time for 10 years. So that here there is a time duration. She doesn't want to live anywhere else means she's still living there ማለት ነው። ይሄ የሚያሳየን ሌላ ቦታ መኖር አትፈልግም ኒውዮርክ ብቻ ነው ካሉን she's still there ማለት ነው አይደል? ስለዚህ the action started in the past and then still going on ማለት ነው። present perfect ነው ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር እንዲህ የሚል ፎርም የለንም አይደል? have been living እንጂ have been lived ሚል ፎርም የለንም። therefore have lived is the present perfect form ማለት ነው። the third one is this film has many series ምን አለው? ብዙ ተከታታይ ክፍሎች አሉት። I dash it for few days now. See? A, I'm watching, watched, watch, have been watching. Very good. If you say the answer is D, you are right. Why? It says again for few days and now. ከጥቂት ቀናቶች ጀምሮ እስካሁን ድረስ እያየ ነው ማለት ነው። ተከታታይ ክፍሎቹን እያየ ነው። መቼ ነው ማየት የጀመረው? In the past አይደል? ስለዚህ few days ጀምሮ back still ነው ማለት ነው አይደል? The action is started in the past and still going on. ከፓስት ጀምሮ እስካሁን የቀጠለ ድርጊት በምን ይገለጻል? በpresent perfect or present perfect continuous tense. We have here present perfect continuous tense so that we can use this one. The first one, you are so wet. What dash doing? It's a question. Look at the person, he gets wet. A, have you been? B, were you? C, are you? D, will you? Be careful. The first sentence says what? You are so wet. What do you think this is? The result, yes? Very good. But he was doing something else before, but there is a result right now at present time, right? የሆነ ነገር ሲያደርግ ነበረ ያንን ድርጊት አላየ ነው ምን እንደሆነ እየጠየቅን ነው። ሶ ምን እያደረክ ነው ብለን ስንለው ምን አይተን ነው አሁን ላይ ያለውን ውጤቱ ምንድነው? the being wet አይደል? መበስበሱ። ስለዚህ for an action which has already finished in the past but has a result now. በፓስት ያለቀ ባላፊ ጊዜ ያለቀ ነገር ግን ውጤቱ አሁን ላይ ላለ present perfect ወይንም present perfect continuous እንጠቀማለን ብለናል። So A is the right answer. So what have you been doing? The fifth one, I dash and my legs are really tired, it says. Again, same is true like question 4. It has something here. A, have cycling. B, was cycling. C, have been cycling. D, I'm cycling. Very good. I hope you have got the right answer. C is the right answer. Why do you think that? Imagine here he said that my legs are really tired. This is what? This is a result. A result of what? A result of cycling, you see. So the action, he is still driving. So I have been cycling and my legs are really tired. See, the action may continue or may not continue, but still there is an effect at present time. There is a result at present time. So that the right answer is C, have been cycling. The sixth one is, I'm so sorry I'm late. Dash for a long time? Question no. Have you waited? Were you waiting? Are you waiting? Have you been waiting? What do you think is the right answer? This person asks excuse. He is so sorry for being late, you see. So he is asking that he's just become very tired of waiting. He assumed that the other person is waiting him for a long time and he just become tired. Assuming that, he asks excuse, right? So which is the best answer here? Very good. If you say D is the right answer, you are right. Because he assumed that this person waited him for a long time so that he become very tired. So that in order to emphasize the duration of waiting, we use present perfect continuous tense. So these are some of the questions and you can just deal with the other questions in the inbox. So thank you for today. We're going to meet with another topic next time. Thank you so much.